are you? Travis here from T-Rizzle Studios. How the heck are you guys? You might notice Samantha's not here. Oh, you want to see her? Well, I think I can make her magically appear. Resto Changeo! And there she magically is. I think I'm a wizard, guys. Today, I bring you another merch unboxing video, this time featuring Harry freaking Potter.
No, that's it for your daughter and all the people on this camera.
I did pre-open it because I heard something kind of moving around, and I didn't know if anything was broken or not, so... Alright, so this is brought to you by Culturefly. There's actually a coupon here for 50% off for your first order, so I think I might just do that. We'll see.
I think we got more tattoos.
God, I hope not.
Yes.
Alright, let's see what we got here.
This for last.
Yeah, that looks fun. Alright, let's do this first. It's a hat. It's a hat. It's a Harry Potter hat. Oh, it's cool. It's got the golden snitch right there, kind of. I'm gonna have to readjust this.
Are these new gloves? Or socks? I want the socks.
No, those are mine. All mine. What do you think? Actually, it feels really lightweight. It's nice. I like the colors. Let me see. Show them to the camera. That's cool, Harry Potter socks. Dude, I like that.
Hey, I want that too.
We make my wife magically disappear.
She's gone. Yeah, my one too. Bippity boppity. I'm gonna make him disappear.
Now, what is this? Let me see.
It's like that thing. It's a science.
They're like signs or something. Yeah, they're, oh, cool. Alright. Cool, Diagon Alley. You gotta show them that. Diagon Alley on that side, and then turn it around.
He has another.
Nocton Alley? Let me see.
He has another one of these. So I'll show you. It's a big one. What? You have one.
What does this one say? Nocturne Alley. Okay, cool. So yeah, you just hang them up on your wall. That's pretty cool, actually. Alright. Sammy, it's my turn.
Can I just open it for you?
They are letters. Like little postcards, maybe? If I can get them open. Hold on.
I'll do it for you.
I know you do, but this...
I know how.
That was just the size.
He is so weird. You should get glasses too. This is how you open it.
Yeah, it's a letter set. Yeah, they're postcards. The Vanishing Cabinet. The Strails.
See?
I don't know. And then you got the, it's the wax that they use for Hogwarts. You put it on the back of the envelope. Flow powder.
See that? I don't think you can see what's on there, but I can get as close.
Hogwarts Express.
I'll try to get as close as I can.
They see it. That's pretty good. That's cool.
Now that's sick.
Don't say sick. especially with COVID going on. That's really cool. I actually might send a postcard to John. We'll see. And that's really cool. And then you just put these on the back. It's really cool.
And the final thing we've been waiting for.
I'm actually not sure what that is.
Yeah, actually.
Hogwarts Castle.
You did that one, I do this.
I didn't do any of them, actually.
Yeah, you did. You opened the hat and you also did on the bed. Oh, wow.
Is that it? Oh, socks. Those are cool. What Sammy has over there is a Hogwarts castle. Here it comes.
So we have 1, 2, long castle. We have a tiny baby castle. We have this good house that leads inside. See there? And there's the private garden, I think, but silver. And then we got this little house here, and then we got this very, very tiny house here, and then on the bottom it's also.
All right, camera hug. All right. So yeah, this is Hogwarts. Little fun fact: this actually is a real castle out in New Zealand. Yeah, I can't remember the name of it, but it is a real castle. That's really cool. I like that. Yeah, this is definitely gonna have a home on my shelf. Look at the detail to that too. The rocks look super realistic too. Alright, guys.
We're gonna disappear.
That's gonna pretty much do it for us.
Bippity, boppity,
And we'll see
Rossi.
you in the next one.
We disappear.